A large pattern change is about to take place that'll bring much warmer air to much of the country to end January. But first, we'll have to deal with a potentially icy transition to that warmer weather. A system moving in early this week will bring a wintry mix as warm air tries to replace the Arctic air. By the middle to the end of the week, we should be able to poke above freezing though. As warm air tries to move northward, it'll take some time to replace the very cold air we've had here at the surface. This will set up a freezing rain threat across much of the state, especially later Monday into Tuesday. We expect precipitation to begin as light snow or sleet Monday morning, potentially impacting the AM commute. Accumulation should be a half inch or less. Then, we should see snow change to patchy freezing drizzle for the rest of the afternoon. There may be some slick spots on roadways, but precipitation should be pretty light, so impacts should be minor. Later Monday afternoon into the evening hours, a second wave approaches, bringing steadier precipitation across the state. This is when ice may accumulate, especially across central and northern Illinois. Travel may be hazardous Monday evening, depending on how quickly temperatures can rise above freezing. Eventually, temperatures should rise above freezing and we should flip to all rain Tuesday morning, but how quickly this happens will have a huge impact on how icy things get. It'll be cold enough for snow across far northwestern Illinois, though, where a few inches are possible. Here's one model's take at forecasted temperatures. You can see here how temperatures will hover right around freezing by Tuesday morning. A degree or two will make the difference between ice or rain. We're currently forecasting 1/10 of an inch or less of ice accumulation across much of the state, but there could be a corridor of higher totals depending on exact temperatures. The good news is that wind should remain light, so tree damage and power outages should remain minimal. And while we do hope warm air moves in quickly, turning the ice to rain, it sometimes can take a bit longer than expected when coming out of such a cold air mass, much like the one we've been dealing with for the past week and a half. So to summarize, we're expecting a light wintry mix to begin sometime Monday morning with minor impacts possible to roads. Spotty freezing drizzle will be possible by Monday afternoon, with the steadier freezing rain possible by later Monday afternoon into the evening, especially across central Illinois as precipitation spreads northward. Temperatures will be rising to near the freezing mark Monday night into Tuesday morning, but just how quickly that happens will be very important, and we're a bit uncertain on that right now. The good news is that the next system for Thursday should be all rain, but with things thawing out we may have to start worrying about flooding concerns in some areas. And it is very likely temperatures will be above normal to end the month, a relief for many people. But first we have to deal with some ice Monday and Tuesday. Be sure to stay up to date on our latest forecast as we'll be updating timing and expected ice amounts as we get closer. Thanks for watching.